What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna replace the air filter for the Honda Pilot. Let's do it. It's like I finally noticed. Okay guys, this is a quick maintenance video. Okay, and this is we're gonna replace the air filter for the Honda Pilot because it's already there, the original. But the question is, when should I replace the air filter for a car? This one, you have to replace it every 12,000 or every 15,000 miles, okay? So that depends on your vehicle, but it's around to 12 to 15,000 miles, okay? So let's replace it. This is very easy and very quick. This is gonna be a short video for those who wanna replace that. So let's open the hood first. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be that. So for that, this one only has two clips right here. You can see it. 1, 2. Some cars will have screws. You have to remove the screws, but this one is only two clips. Just open this. 1, 2, and then lift it. Let me see if it doesn't have. Oh yeah, it has another one here. You can see it there. It's another clip here. One here. So that's it. See, no more. Only 3 clips. Sorry, not 2. This is 3 clips. Then have to. If you want, you can remove this one, but you can just slide this like this. See, it's open. So let's get the old one. Let's see how dirty it is. So it's very bad. Wow. Yeah, this one is already 30,000. So you have to replace it every 15,000 miles. So let's get the new one right here. Let's open it. My heart's been ripping wide open. I'm gonna put the link for this filter on the description of the video, okay? For Honda Pilot. Let's get this one. Yeah, it's the same thing. You can see the old one, a new one. But this is the front. Let's see the back. Oh wow, it's very dirty. Oof, already. Look at that difference. Old one and new one. All right, so this is bad. Let's remove this one. Let's put the new one back. Okay, so let's put this one. This one, the thick part is gonna be down. It's going down. Okay, so let's just slide it. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, it's easy. Just slide it like this. Make sure it's in the right spot. Okay, push it all the way. Make sure here is all the way down, and here too, the corners. And then let's put this one, like this one. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become. Okay, you have to put the filter to the top part, and then you can slide it in the back because it has 2 clips. Has to go in, so make sure it's all the way like this, and then just put the clip 1, 2, the back, and the back 3 down. Okay, so now that's it. It's finished and it's ready. Okay, so this is a quick video. Let me know what you guys think. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. The Supra is there, chilling. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Okay guys, that was the air filter for the Honda Pilot. The link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. So remember to replace it every 15,000 miles, around every 15,000 miles. Okay, 12 or 15,000 miles. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.
No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred, but in my neighborhood, yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free. To set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking